Hello everyone, welcome to this weekly guidance. I am once again from the Tarot Destination. I brought weekly guidance for the upcoming week. So we are going to check how our coming week is going to be, what kind of energies are approaching, and what is the one word or one line message from our angels. So before starting the reading, I would like to congratulate each and everyone. I would like to extend my gratitude, my wishes to each and everyone who all are celebrating their birthdays in the coming week. Wish you a very happy birthday to each and everyone. So here for the weekly guidance, I am having three piles as usual, pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. One card from the tarot, Rider Waite tarot card, and the angel card is there. Angel is the message, the brief message, what is from the angel message we need to know that I have added, and the tarot is the energy for the week. What is the possible energies are approaching and how we can just tackle those. So let's start the reading. So you know what is the rule. You have to close your eyes, ask your divine which pile is going to help you more, and select one pile between 1, 2 and 3. You can select more than one pile also, and check out what is your coming week energy is approaching and how best you can just navigate your week. So let us start the reading. So pile 1 energy is 3 of swords. We can see a very negative energy is there, but the angelic guidance is also very positive here, assertiveness. So we are having support of our angels also, so no need to worry. So let's see how our coming week could be. 3 of swords here, it is showing some mental trauma you are going to face, either in terms of your relationship or the career, finance, anything. Any hardening situation may come and you may feel very disturbed. You may be upset, lot of mental strain I am seeing here. But again, this card is indicating you need healing also, because if you'll heal your mental strain, you will be able to cope up the situation. For some people, mental strain is there, yes, but for some people, I think they need healing. They might be going through some health issue and it may pop up in a very danger way. I would say you need, I think the surgery may happen, or you need serious medication here. So such kind of emotional trauma kind of thing I am seeing, some heartbreak I am seeing, as it is very clear in the picture. Heartbreak is there, lot of emotional situation is there, and you may deal with more than two people. Some conflict may happen between the group of people, might be people may not be agree with your terms and you may feel upset. So such kind of energies are popping up in the coming week. So take care of your tongue, because if you are not careful while talking, definitely the situation may go against you. So such kind of situation I am seeing. Some documentation kind of problem also may happen, so little care is required while documenting anything. So little care this card is indicating on every front. Unnecessarily argument may happen, so definitely you have to control on your situation. How you can control? You should be having control on your thoughts. Just watch out what are the negative thoughts and remove, because they are not going to help you. So this is the overall tarot energy, since very negative, so I do not want to go in very depth. Already lot of sadness the card is already depicting while seeing the picture itself. It is talking like that, but this is a kind of lesson you have to learn. Without learning the lesson, you cannot mature, you cannot grow. So this is also a necessary part of your life. So don't take it in a negative way. In fact, take it in a positive way in order to grow. If we'll just look at the angel guidance, you can see how nicely it is matching your assertiveness. It is required towards the situation, towards the people. Then only you will be able to heal. So this is also talking about the healing of the situation, healing of your love relationship, anything which you are struggling with. Please call upon your angels, please call upon your spirit guides. You can seek any one of your god and goddesses whom you believe in. Call and seek the healing. You need lot of healing, and definitely the divine guidance will come to you, because here can you see the angel is approaching towards the tarot card. So the angels are already ready to heal your situation, so not to worry, you are not alone. So this is the pile number 1 reading. Let's move to the pile number 2. So the pile number 2 is Six of Swords and Let Your Past Go. Again, both the energies are matching here. The person is moving away. The person is moving away from all this chaotic situation towards the peaceful situation. Could be, again, it depends on the person perception, how he is tackling the situation, how he is seeing the opportunity in a positive way, or whether he is seeing the opportunity as a challenge. So it depends on that. And here the angel message is let your past go. Here again it is talking about don't carry your negativity. If you want to grow, if you want to come out from the problems, definitely you have to leave something, then only you will feel lighter and you will be able to move forward easily. Then only your journey is going to be easy. So here Six of Swords, you can see person is moving away with these people. So could be, it is possible you may get opportunity to travel somewhere. Might be you are tired of the situation and you wanted to go out for something. So little vacation also could be there. So forget about this painful situation. Little celebration or little outing, that's okay. This is the requirement of the time, I guess, because a lot of mental strain you are carrying. So just take a break for some time. This card is indicating for the people who have selected pile 2, take a break for some time. So a lot of mental strain you will be able to release. This outing is going to help you in order to release your blockage, in order to release your mental strain. For some people, definitely it could be a movement of place. Some place changes may happen, and definitely I think while moving you feel little hard. You may not feel that much energetic or motivated, I say, because I think you are not willing to leave your past and go. So this transition seems to be little difficult for you, but you have to do. You are not having any other choice. So such kind of movement I am seeing. I am seeing improvement in your situation here. How the situation will improve when you will leave your baggage, when you will leave all your negativity, everything, then only you are going to grow. So here I think in this scenario, what I feel, I think you should just look for your northwest direction of your house. If it is cluttered, try to remove, then you will feel little energy, vibration will improve and you may feel better. I think the present scenario will improve. Some vastu blockage I am seeing, so please try to just check out that northwest direction properly. So if Six of Swords, it is coming, if you are just thinking about a relationship, I think some improvement I could see for some people. But yes, some people I am seeing some peaceful separation also. Definitely you will feel good after this. Initially it could be painful, but yes, the later on it is going to be great. This is what initially I said, how you are seeing this transition. Is it a challenge or an opportunity? It's up to you. What your perspective is, accordingly you are going to see the result. Career wise, job wise, I am seeing some changes are coming. If any expenses, the big expenses, it is not advised at all during this week. Definitely you should avoid. Please work on your northwest direction of your house. Some clutter is there, I guess, and you need to clean that clutter and just throw those clutter you do not require. I think that is blocking your growth. So if you want to grow, you should just release that blockage and then move forward. Proper room you will get for your growth. Let's come to the angel message. Angel message, let your past go. Very clearly it is matching. If you will just stuck with your past, I think you will not be able to come out of this situation. So if you want improvement in your career, in your relationship, definitely you have to forget your past. Carry only good stuff. Don't carry the negative thing which is blocking your growth, because simply hanging out with your past, it is not going to help you. That is past already, you know, it is a past. It cannot be your present. And by just keep on looking of your past, what you are doing, you are simply spoiling your present also. So you don't do that, because again your present, it will become your past, and once again you will just crib on your past. You are going to miss your past. You did not utilize your time. So please be in now and utilize your time. See every challenges also as an opportunity. Then you are going to feel how lovely your life is going to be, how nice your life is going to be. So this is pile number 2. Let's move to the third pile. So pile number 3 is 5 of Pentacles, and notice the signs. This is the angel message for you, which you have to listen. So 5 of Pentacles, here you can see people are in a very bad situation in this snowy night. They are out and they seems to be they are quite helpless, or they are not asking for the help. So this 5 of Pentacles, clearly it is talking about loss of some materialistic thing. It could be your relationship, it could be your property, or it could be your money matters. So some loss kind of thing I am saying. And why it is not happening? Because you are avoiding this opportunity here, you are not paying attention to them. Simply you are moving as if someone will call you back and they will just offer you help, but that is not going to happen. Even if you need help from the God, you have to seek help. You have to at least call their help. Until unless you will not ask, no one is going to help you. So please take help of others. This card is indicating you should seek help of others, otherwise your situation will become poor. This is for some people. I feel some medical emergency may come, some health issues definitely it is approaching, and expenses also will incur just because of that bad health. So please take care of your health. This is for the some part of people. I feel overall I feel some changes are coming. You have to change. Might be your situation will be very bad while just changing. Such kind of situation may come. It is a card of materialistic loss. So some financial investment or anything, if you are thinking, please avoid. This time is not good for the investment. In fact, I would say please just clear your southwest direction of your house, because that is the direction in our house, the direction of stability, direction of our growth, the major foundation it is talking about, and that is completely disturbed. I see lot of clutter there also. I see lot of blackness is there. So you have to remove that, clear that area, put some red color over there. You can put some yellow flowers. That is going to be helpful for you financially also and relationship wise also. Here 5 of Pentacles, for some people I feel you are going to lose some relationship. In fact, the other party wants to leave you and the person is not at all interested in the relationship, and definitely the financial issue may come in between. So just take care of your relationship also. This is the guidance, or this is the message it is coming. Take care of your relationship, because the leaving and going, that's not a solution. So 5 of Pentacles overall for career and finances wise, not very good card. I do say you may lose some money, so don't invest much amount. Little loss definitely I am seeing. Don't lend to anyone, otherwise the recovery could be difficult, because the other person already seems to be very poor. The other side may not be able to return you your required money. Or if you are in a problem, if you are dealing with some issues, definitely connect with the people. Help is already there, only the thing is like you are not looking at them, and the help is very worthy also. So you need help in terms of monetary, I guess. So please seek for the help. If you want to borrow, definitely you can borrow some money. That is also going to help you. But yes, this card is of seeking help and health issues, clearly it is showing. So just take care of your health and take care of your attitude also. Be positive. Movement changes are always good. Only thing is like how you are in cashing your opportunity. So let's move to the angel card. Angel is talking about notice these signs. So when you are leaving out, when you are looking for the help, when you are dealing with someone, and even though when you are having a bad health issue, you are dealing with the doctor or anyone, look for the sign. See what kind of people are coming forward to help you. Just remember those help. This is quite stagnant energy, so definitely you may feel why I should change myself, why should I change my attitude. But this card is showing please look for the signs. You have to change at this point of time, otherwise what will happen, the same situation may be repeated in the future. So little change is required in your attitude. And angel messages, look for the sign. Keep on seeing the sign in terms of people, in terms of things, in terms of services. Definitely you will be offered help, so you are not at all helpless here. Help is already there and you are moving towards the help. only thing is like before entering someone's house or before taking someone's help, you have to at least knock and just say your requirement, otherwise the next person will not be able to help you in a proper way. So this is the message for all the people. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3 we had discussed. I hope reading has resonated with you. If so, please do let us know and like and subscribe our channel so that I can bring more videos for you people. Have a wonderful week ahead everyone. Take care. Bye bye.